Welcome, champion.
Today's video is not just motivation. It's a skill that can upgrade your career, income, confidence, and respect. Look around. People who communicate well get better jobs, better opportunities, and more respect. Not because they are special, but because they know how to speak with clarity and confidence. We often meet ordinary people, not famous, not rich, but when they speak, we listen. Their words feel powerful. Their presence feels confident. Why? Because communication is the real superpower. If you want a strong personality, remember this rule. Speak with purpose. Speak clearly. Speak with confidence. A clear mind plus clear words creates a powerful personality. In this video, I'll share 10 practical communication tips you can use daily. If you apply them, your communication and your English will improve. Let's begin. Tip 1. Speak without words. People judge you in the first 7 seconds. Your posture, smile, eye contact, and energy speak before your words. Stand straight. Smile naturally. Make eye contact. Walk with confidence even if you feel nervous. Your body speaks louder than your mouth. Tip 2. Use stories. Facts inform. Stories connect. A short story creates emotion, and emotion creates memory. Use stories to make your message unforgettable.
Tip 3. Show empathy.
Great communicators listen more than they speak. Make people feel heard and understood. Sometimes people don't want solutions. They want understanding. Tip 4. Use names. Person's name is powerful. Use it naturally to build instant connection and trust. Tip 5. Respond. Don't react. Pause before speaking. Calm responses build respect. Emotional reactions destroy credibility. Tip 6. Echo key words. Repeat a keyword or emotion someone says. It shows you're truly listening and invites deeper conversation. Tip 7. Control your voice. Change your tone. Change your speed. Use pauses. Your voice should feel alive, not robotic. Tip 8. Set boundaries calmly. Repeat your point without arguing. Confidence doesn't need long explanations. Tip 9. Use light humor. Humor breaks tension and builds connection. Be natural. Be human. Tip 10. Be vulnerable. Perfection creates distance. Honesty creates trust. Share real stories. End with growth and hope. Final message. Communication is not about impressing people. It's about connecting with them. Practice these habits daily. Your words will gain power. Your presence will gain respect. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. And always speak from the heart.